Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video, we're going to be talking about how you get your specific person to come back to you and to beg to be with you, because maybe you were in a relationship with them and it just didn't work out, or maybe you just separated, or maybe you're not in a relationship with your SP, but you want to be in a relationship with them and you want them to come to you and to beg to be with you. So this video, we're going to be kind of talking all about that. I'm going to be introducing a technique as well as an affirmation that will help reinforce the technique to get your SP to come to you and to beg to be with you, because you deserve everything in this world. I'm here to help you out, and I'm going to be talking about a potential reason on why you might be actually repelling your SP, and you're actually might be actually begging your SP to be with you, and you just don't even maybe recognize it or realize it. And we're going to basically get them instead to beg to be with us instead, and want to pursue us and chase us and to love us dearly and passionately. So this video topic is going to be quite fun. Before we jump right into this video, I have two free gifts for y'all. So I have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide that'll be highlighting 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation. So if you're seeking a lot of clarity around your manifestations, you want to know more about manifestation, this guide is going to really help you out, as well as have an exclusive meditation audio that's all about manifesting your SP that you cannot find on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in those free gifts, just click the link down below. Additionally, follow me on my social medias, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my TikTok, as well as subscribe to the channel with the notification button, because I know that we just had a huge surge of a lot of wonderful people that just joined the channel. But a lot of people, you guys watch the videos but don't subscribe. Please subscribe. It really helps me out so more people can see this wonderful content. Sincerely appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. So before we jump right into the technique and the affirmation for this video, we just have to talk about the elephant in the room here, which is that you may be actually pushing your SP away from you, where you might be actually begging them to be with you, and you're actually chasing them and being really overtly and so over affectionate with them that you're pushing them away, because you have this neediness energy around you that it's like, you know, notice me, love me, I love you so much, I want to be with you. But it actually turns the person away and actually makes them run the opposite direction, which you don't want to do. But I don't blame you one bit, because I've done this myself, and it's not easy sometimes, because especially if you want to be with that person, that's that special person, that it just like will naturally come out that you want to show them all the affection, you want to show them how much you love them and really want them to notice you. Because, you know, although there's online dating, it actually makes it 10 times harder to, you know, get your SP's attention, or even to get them interested in you, because there's just so much competition out there. So sometimes we try to be over affectionate to just show them that, yes, I am interested in you and I want to pursue things more with you and to get to know you more, but it actually does more of a disservice to us. And so even if you don't physically beg them and be like, please, 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 you know, be with us, we're not really actually doing that, but it's more like the mentally begging, where it's pushing them away, because we're always thinking about them all the time. We're always trying to get their attention, like by sending multiple text messages, and then they'll send one after a couple hours of not responding to your messages, and then you send them more because they kind of seem like they're interested in you. And then there's just like this overconsumption of them that your day is like kind of ruined, and it is kind of detrimental to you, because you just waste your day on, you know, pursuing this person that you're actually pushing them away. You're actually exerting so much energy and it's actually not doing any favors for you. So what do we do instead if they aren't, you know, pursuing us and we want them to pursue us instead? Well, first of all, we have to kind of relax. We have to chill out a bit, and we have to tap into magnetic energy. And how we tap into magnetic energy is by living our authentic self through and through, 100%, being very confident in ourselves, being very confident and strong in our convictions, our beliefs, and really believing that we are actually good enough for anyone in this world, and it's actually that they should be lucky to be with us instead. And really and to really tap into and really love all the wonderful qualities about you that make you so special. Because if you don't dilute yourself and you're really being your 100% authentic self through and through, your SP is going to love everything about you and is going to actually start chasing you instead, because you're just one of a kind, one of a million, and you're just not pursuing them all the time. You're just kind of being very confident in yourself and just saying, like, they're going to be lucky to be with me. And so when you actually do the less chasing and not begging them at all, they will actually come and seek you, because you're just such a wonderful person and they just love everything about you, and that you actually don't have to worry about the competition, because everyone is so unique that if they like everything about you and you're not censoring yourself, you're not diluting all the wonderful qualities, they would actually want to be with you. They love everything about you that makes you you. So you really have to show that and really exude all the wonderful qualities about you that make you so damn special. And additionally, when you tap into magnetic energy, you're gonna have this magnetic charm about you that's actually going to draw them into your life, because they just can't get enough of you. And so this one affirmation is going to help you reinforce being your authentic self and really give you the confidence to really super believe in yourself. Because sometimes, like I said, when it's someone super special, sometimes you just can't help it we want to text them, but then you kind of hold yourself back, or you want to do all these things that when you first initially start meeting, you like everything about this person, and you want to show the affection that just say, hey, I'm interested, but we don't want to actually do this. This will help you, prevent you from doing that, so then you can kind of stay in a really wonderful place and to not deviate from being your authentic self. And this affirmation is, I have no reason to chase because they want to be with me. And so what this will really do is it would really reinforce that, yes, I have all the wonderful qualities, that they're going to be lucky to be with me because I'm just such a special person. I'm such a one of a million, one of a kind person, that they're going to be lucky to be with me. And so that simple affirmation is going to help you stay in alignment with yourself and help you stay in that magnetic energy that is going to draw, that person in. Because sometimes we get into kind of, social situations, or you look on social media and they haven't really messaged you back, and we get kind of that like itch to kind of message your SP, and we don't want to do that. We want to stay grounded into our confident self. They're going to be talking to us. They're going to be begging to be with us. They want to come into our lives, and that they're just an addition to our life, and that I actually don't need this SP to benefit my life. They're just an addition to my wonderful life. And so when you do that, you're instilling that confidence in yourself that you're going to be pursued by that special person, that your specific person. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Definitely watch this video a couple of times to really understand what I'm really saying, but I like to talk about law of attraction and manifestation in a really easy way, because sometimes it can be too overly complicated. Whereas I like to talk about magnetic energy and how we're able to do that, being your authentic self, and when we do that, we're able to literally accomplish anything in this world. And so this is going to work, and this affirmation is really going to reinforce and help you stay into magnetic energy and help keep that alignment for you, that they're going to be begging to be with you. God damn it, I believe in you 100%. I'm always here to help you out there. If you have any questions to me about law of attraction manifestation, just let me know in the comment section down below. Also follow me on my social medias, and also remember those 2 free gifts I have for you. They're all linked down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!